Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a frequency distribution when you have data that is more categorical and not, let me say, more qualitative and not quantitative. So I'm going to do the frequency distribution in Statcrunch. So I'm going to click on the box and open in Statcrunch. You can do this in Excel. If you decide to use Excel, just make sure you follow the step-by-step directions in the e-text. But you go to Stat Calculators, and let's see. Maybe, hold on. Go to Stat Tables Frequency and make sure you select var1. And I think that's all you have to select, is that's the name of the column. And you can change the name of the column to ratings if you would rather it be called ratings. And then hit compute, and then there are your frequencies. So we'll put those in E, F, G, P. They're in order. 15, 10, 26, 9. So 15, 10, 26, 9. Okay. So that would be how you do your frequency. And let's see what I did wrong here. Okay, so I see what I did. It's E, G, then F, and then P. So it should be 15, 26, 10, and then 9. So let me fix that. And just be careful. I'm sure you could change the order around to fit. But the main thing we want is to get the count and not have to manually count each one. And then your relative frequencies are just going to be 15 divided by 60. I'm going to use my phone for this, because your total is 60 and your count for E-ratings is 15. So 15 divided by 60, I should have been able to do that in my head, is 1/4, which is 0.25. So 25% of the customers rated it as excellent. And then good would be 26 divided by the total of 60, so 43%. And it says round to 3 decimal places, so that's important too. Then the next frequency, relative frequency, is 10 divided by 60, which would be 0.167. And it's really, this is down here, so you may miss the rounding. I was looking everywhere to see where to round to, so pay careful attention to that. Now, for poor, we have 9 that rated it poor, so let's do 9 divided by 60, and that would be 15% of our customers gave us a poor rating, or gave this restaurant a poor rating. Now for your cumulative frequencies, your first frequency will be 0.25, but your next frequency, you add your 0.25 and your 0.43. You're going to add these two numbers together, so that would be 683. Now when you get down to the bottom, it should be 1. So now we're at 0.683 plus 0.167. So that would be 0.85. And then the last one is 0.15. And of course, 0.15 and 0.85 make 1. Okay, so then it looks like they want a horizontal bar chart. And I didn't select C, I just accidentally. So we know that this is the frequency and these are the ratings, and it's P, F, G, E, just like the, so poor is first and poor should be the smallest. So it looks like this would be the correct one because poor is the smallest. If you look up here, 0.15, this is the least amount of rating. Poor is the least amount of ratings that we got. And so the one that has the smallest for P would be A. It should be smaller than the other ratings. Okay, and what percentage of customers rating their dining experience as excellent or good? So here's excellent and here's good. We can just use our cumulative frequency because it added these two together. Because these are percents. 25% plus 43% would be 68.3%. You have to change it to a percentage here. So you have to move the decimal 2 places to the right. And that's how you work a frequency distribution for qualitative data. Let me know if you have any questions.